In preparation for Independence Day, Shillong City has heightened its security measures by deploying 3 companies of the State Police Force along with the Central Reserve Police Force. Superintendent of Police, East Khasi Hills District, Sylvester Nongtanger, confirmed the addition of 2 more police companies, bringing the total to 3. Despite no anticipated threats, the district police are on high alert to ensure public safety.
Like every other year, we have full preparation for these independence celebrations. So in fact, we have swung in action since last few days. We have conducted a raid, we have conducting Naka in the whole city, and we have deployed force everywhere. You could see that all our force has been spread out in Shillong, and especially tonight, all our officers and men will be very active, and we are fully prepared and equipped for the celebration tomorrow.